Welcome to the Virtual Museum, Evolution of Humans and the Universe. Embark on an extraordinary journey through time and space. From the fiery birth of the universe.
Yo! You are entering to the cosmic region. Yo! You are... Yo! Are entering to the solar region. Yo! Are entering to the...
About 4.6 billion years ago. The universe where life has flourished in incredible diversity.
Its powerful gravity helped shape the early solar system, and its swirling storms, like the Great Red...
region. Yo! You are entering...
region. Yo! You are entering or Skulls region. Yo! Oh! You are entering the Age of Dinosaurs region. Hoo-ho-hoo-hoo-ee! Yo! Human evolution region. Yo! You are entering Human Skulls region. Yo! Yo! You are entering the Egyptian civilization region. Yo! Space Achievement Region. You are entering Human Space Achievement Region. interdisciplinary space and nuclear region. Yo! You are... Museum. We are so glad that you are here. But it's a farewell. But I know we will meet again. I know. Yo, man. Hope we see you back again. Once again. I must thank you for visiting. Hope we see you back again. Once again.
Rebirth of the universe to the rise of modern humans. This museum showcases the fascinating story